So, here's another thing that you should know about me. I hate, with a passion, rain. Of course, it does not help that I live in England. When it rains, at least 2/3 of the year. So, I hate rain. Which is exactly why I want to move somewhere where it's sunny nearly all the time. Or spend 6 months somewhere where it's really sunny and spend 6 months here when it's sunny season. Because I hate rain. Because it's raining today, and it has been raining constantly since yesterday. Since 5 o'clock. So I hate rain. I mean, I'm gonna have to go out on it really soon because I've got college, and yeah, not looking forward to it because I'm gonna get absolutely soaked. Because I know what I'm like, and the bus is gonna be late. I just know it. So yeah, I hate the rain. Might be back later, tell you how my first day back at college went. If not, do tomorrow.